This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, people been asking me about what I think about this AMC Bondholders lawsuit. And the thing is, I knew this lawsuit was coming because when this first went down, I did a video on this where I explained that it was going to be issues. And a lot of people say that the lawsuit has no merit. I think the lawsuit does have merit. And this is just my opinion on it. This is just my opinion. Okay, people ask me my opinion. I'm giving my opinion of what I think about this lawsuit. Here's the thing. The bondholders had a first position if AMC went bankrupt. That's really the bottom line. Their bond was secured by AMC properties. And then when AMC did the restructuring, they took 175 theaters and moved them to like a different entity as security on the new debt that they pushed out to 2029. So now the money or the bonds that they're holding that was secured by this AMC property is no longer secured by this AMC property. And the thing is, if nothing goes wrong, then it doesn't even matter. What matters is if AMC goes bankrupt, instead of being in the first position to be paid if AMC goes bankrupt and has to sell off their assets, they're now in the second or third position to get paid because the assets that secured their bonds are in a totally different place. Let me think of a good example. You have your car. You get a loan on your car. The person who gave you the loan on your car, if you don't pay the car note, they can come and repossess your car. But what you do now is you take that same car that's secured by the note that's on the car and you sign it over to John Jones. And you get some money from John Jones and you tell John Jones that the money he's giving you is secured by this car. Do you think the first lien holder, the person that gave you the original loan on the car, do you think he would be upset if you took the car which secured his loan and gave it to John to secure John's new loan? He would be upset. He would probably initiate repossessing a car as soon as he became aware of what you did. And that's exactly what I'm seeing here. AMC had these theaters as security for the original bondholders. And then when they restructured the debt, they took that same security that secured the original bonds and they put it in a different entity to secure the new loans that were pushed out to 2029. Of course, the bondholders are going to be upset. Of course, the bondholders are going to go to court because they're no longer in first position if something goes wrong. Now, if nothing goes wrong, AMC doesn't go bankrupt, movie theaters are doing fine, it doesn't even matter. But they want to protect themselves because, in my opinion, by doing that, AMC breached their contract with the original bond holders. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Would you be upset if you gave somebody some money and it secured it by collateral, and then when you weren't paying attention, they took that same collateral and used it to secure loans with other individuals? Would you be upset? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.